good time. Let's crochet this beautiful and cute sloth. I'm going to create a blanket, a granny square blanket with animals. And this is the number 1 animal. And you can learn how to turn this circle animal into a square here. The link is here. For this tutorial, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 3mm hook size. Let's start. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. Into the ring, make 12 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. There are 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is called a double crochet stitch. I have 1 double crochet. Go on until you have 12 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 12 double crochet. Now close the ring. Skip the first 3 chains. On top of the first double crochet, this is my first double crochet and this is the top part of my first double crochet. Slip a stitch here. Look again. Insert the hook into this stitch. Pull up the yarn and pull it through this loop too. For round 2, chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same space. For single crochet, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Chain 1. This is called a standing single crochet. Standing single crochet that's equal to a double crochet. Now make a double crochet into the same space. Two double crochet into next stitch. Two double crochet in each stitch by the end of the round. And at the end you will have 24 double crochet, and this one standing single crochet is considered as 1 double crochet too. In fact, in this first space I have 2 double crochet. I have 24 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Skip the first standing single crochet. On top of the first double crochet, slip stitch. Round 2, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same space. Chain 1. Make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Make 2 double crochet into each stitch. It's similar to round 2. Do this pattern by the end of the round. 2 double crochet into each stitch and at the end you will have 48 double crochet. At the end, slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet and cut the yarn. Round 4, join your yarn in any stitch. For example, I'm joining here. Chain 1 and create 1 single crochet into the same stitch. One single crochet into each stitch by the end of the row. At the end you will have 48 single crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet. Now chain 4. Skip the first chain, slip a stitch into the second chain. Single crochet in next chain and single crochet in next one. Now look at this stitch here. It's right below this one, the place I made the slip stitch, and each stitch has 2 loops. The front loop is toward me and the back loop. Slip a stitch in front loop only. You don't need to take the back loop, just in front loop. Chain 3, skip the first, slip a stitch into the second one, single crochet into the third one, slip a stitch into the same front loop, chain 2, skip the first one and single crochet into the second chain and slip a stitch into the same loop. You can see this here. They are all into the same loop. Okay, now cut the yarn. For the eyes, make a slip knot. And chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Skip the first chain into the second chain, back bump. These are the chains. If you turn them, you can see some small bumps behind, and I'm going to use these little bumps and create my stitches into these bumps. Okay, skip the first into the second chain, back bump, slip stitch. Into the next one, back bump, single crochet, into the next chain, back bump, single crochet, next chain, back bump, half double crochet, and into last chain, back bump, leave 5 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, all into the same chain. Okay, now at this side, into the first stitch, this is my last stitch, I have stitches inside, and this is the next one. Into this one, make a half double crochet, into next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, And last one, slip stitch. Fasten off with a bit longer tail for sewing and create another one in this way. This tiny sloth is over. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and create this beautiful blanket soon. To watch the other tutorials related to this project and also the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!